The Pythagoras formula x squared plus y squared equals z squared, where x, y, and z are whole numbers, i.e. positive integers, has an infinite number of solutions. For example, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Things change dramatically for powers greater than 2. And this problem was first investigated by Pierre de Fermat, a 17th century mathematician who concluded in what is normally termed Fermat's last theorem, that for n greater than 2, there are no whole number solutions to x to the power n plus y to the power n equals z to the power n. And this theorem was not actually proved by Fermat, but he wrote on the margin of a textbook that he has found a conclusive proof, but the margin was too small for him to lay out the proof. Now, the details of Fermat's last theorem and the discovery of the proof by Andrew Wiles is described in great detail and brilliantly by Simon Singh, a British physicist and broadcaster, on the Numberphile channel on YouTube. And there is also a great documentary from BBC Horizon on the efforts of Andrew Wiles to prove Fermat's last theorem. Let's move on to closer to pop culture. And if we examine one of Homer Simpson's writings or sayings, he wrote on the blackboard in one of the Simpson episodes the formula 3987 to the power 12 plus 4365 to the power 12 equals 4472 to the power 12. Apparently disproving Pierre de Fermat. But a close examination, as explained by Simon Singh, reveals that this equation is a false solution. My objective today is to seek a link between Pierre de Fermat and the Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a strict vegetarian and had dietary problems during his stay in Cambridge. And on one occasion, he was hospitalized in Putney in South London, and Professor Godfrey Hardy visited him at the hospital and remarked that perhaps it was not a good omen that he had taken the taxicab number 1729 to the hospital, a number which he considered to be rather dull. Ramanujan replied, "No, it is a very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressible as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1 cube plus 12 cube equals 1729, and so does the 9 cube plus 10 cubed. The taxicab anecdote is widely known and also features in the film, his biopic, in which Dev Patel of Slumdog Millionaire fame plays Srinivasa Ramanujan. But what is less well known than the taxicab anecdote is that Srinivasa Ramanujan was also involved with trying to solve Fermat's last theorem. What is less well known than the taxicab anecdote is that Ramanujan had also found a near-miss solution to the Fermat equation. And in one of the manuscripts that is available at the Wren Library, Trinity College, Cambridge, is a manuscript or writings of Ramanujan, where he wrote down this equation, which is a near-miss solution to the Fermat problem. It's just off by just unity. The details of this are provided in this brilliant YouTube presentation, which I would highly recommend.